Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how you can go about setting up the Apple Airpods Pro to a OnePlus Watch 2. Okay, so this is the OnePlus Watch 2, okay? And you can actually use the AirPods connected to your OnePlus Watch. So first things first, before doing anything with your watch, you want to make sure you get this into a pairing mode state and so that it can show up onto your OnePlus, all right? So make sure the AirPods Pro are in the case itself. Then at the back of your case here, you will notice this button right there. You're gonna hold down that button until it starts to blink in a white light at least 5 times. So go ahead and do that. It's gonna start blinking, wait for it to blink 5 times at least. And this works the same for Gen 1 and Gen 2 AirPods Pro. And once it does that, just let it go, keep the case lid open, leave them in the case itself here. Then when you are done with that, the pairing mode, you want to keep an eye on the pairing mode, by the way, and you'll go onto your smartwatch here, the OnePlus Watch here, use the quick panel access here, and you can go into this part right here with the headphones icon right there. This is going to allow you to go into this Bluetooth settings here where you can turn on the Bluetooth by tapping on this plus right here, and you'll turn it on from here. It's going to say turning on, and then select pair new device. You'll see pair new device here. And it's going to start searching. You'll see everybody's Bluetooth nearby. And just wait for AirPods Pro to show up. So you'll look for it here. You'll tap on it one time. It's going to say pairing. You want to press the check mark to accept it. And it's going to say connecting. Make sure it's within range. And you'll see that the AirPods is now connected. So with that now, if you're listening to music from your watch itself, connected to your phone, or you have something on your watch you want to listen to, you can use your AirPods and listen to it from the watch itself. Okay, so hopefully this guide helped you. Like and sub.